Good morning, children. This lesson is of class 4 for the subject of mathematics, topic money, which is covered in your textbook and it is submitted to you on 11th of October 2021. Students, today we will discuss the multiplication and the division in money. Let us start with the questions only. We have to multiply 97.02 by 12. First of all, one thing keep in mind, whenever we will do the multiplication in division decimals, no need to put the decimal while doing the multiplication. We can ignore the decimal whenever we are multiplying. So simply multiplying 9702 by 12. What we get? We get 1,16,424. So now how will we put the decimal in the last? Now see, after decimal, how many digits are there? There are 2 digits. So what we will do while putting the decimal, start from the last digit. 1, 2. Only till 2 we have to count, because after the decimal there were 2 digits. So now 1, 2. Put the decimal. This is your answer. Clear? Now next one is also same. We have to multiply 251.43 by 15. Again, while doing the multiplication, we will ignore the decimal. And what we get? We get 3,77,145. Now again, after the decimal, 2 digits are there. So 1, 2. Put the decimal. In the next question, that is without decimal, we have to multiply 3,329 by 13. So let us start the multiplication. We will start with 3. 3 into 9, 27. 2 here. 3 into 2, 6 plus 2, 8. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 3, 9. Now when we will shift to 1, we will put a cross over here. 1 into 9, 9. 1 into 2, 2. Then 1 into 3, 3. 1 into 3, 3. So on adding, we get what? 43,277. Clear? Now in the next question, we have to do what? Subtract 33,949 from 73,410. This is the first step. First of all, we will do the subtraction. And whatever the answer we will get after the multiplication, we will multiply that answer by 15. So on subtracting these two numbers, we get 39,461. Now let us do the multiplication this number by 15. So on doing the simple multiplication, as we have already done the above, that is 5,91,915. Clear? Now let us do the problem sums based on this. First one is, a refrigerator cost rupees 26,012 rupees. What is the price of 13 such refrigerators? Now the cost of one refrigerator is given to you and you have to find the cost of 13 refrigerators. It means for one the cost is given to you and for more you have to find out. It means we will do the multiplication. So on doing the simple multiplication, what we get? 2,38,156. Clear, children? Next one is, a desktop computer cost rupees 52,540. Find the cost of 15 computers. Now, it is given that a desktop computer cost given to you and you have to find the cost for 15. Again, we will do the multiplication. So, on doing the multiplication, we get 7,88,100 rupees. Okay? This is the cost of 15 computers. Now, let us start with the next topic, that is division. That is also similar. You have to divide 2773.98. We have to divide it by 11. Now starting 11 into 2, 22. 7 minus 2, 5. 7 will come down. Then 11 into 5, 55. 7 minus 5, 2. 3 comes down. Then 11 into 2, 22. Now this decimal in case of division will shift to the quotient. So now next is 9. Now 9 will come down. Clear? This decimal will get shift to quotient. Now 11 into 1, 11. 9 minus 1, 8. 11 into 8, 8. So what is the remainder we get? 0. In the next question we have to divide now 1,99,745 by 13. This is without decimal. 13 into 1, 13. 9 minus 3, 6. 9 comes down. 13 into 5, 65. 9 minus 5, 4. 7 comes down. 13 into 3, 39. Then 17 minus 9 is 8. 4 comes down. 13 into 6, 78. Then 6 we get. Then 5 comes down. And 13 into 5 is what? 65. So what is the remainder? 0. And what is the question? That is your answer. 15,365 you can say. Next is cost of 12 copies is given to you and you have to find the cost of one book. Now children, whenever the cost for more is given to you and for one you have to find out, always do the division. So now 3048 by 12. 12 into 2, 24. 10 minus 4, 6. 4 comes down. 12 into 5, 60. 4 minus 0, 4. 8 comes down. Then 12 into 4, 48. So what we get? 254. The last question. A sum of 9,10,840 is to be equally distributed among 14 people. And how much money will each get? It means for one we have to find out. So again we will do the division. So let us do the division now. 14 into 6, 84. 11 minus 4, 7. 0 comes down. 14 into 5, 70. Then 8 comes down. 14 into 0, 0. 8 minus 0, 8. 4 comes down. 14 into 6, 84. 0 comes down. 14 into 0, 0. So what we get? We get 65,060 rupees. Clear? Now your homework is you have to try these two exercises in your notebook. Thank you, children.